Dear student, today I am going to take the topic of JK flip flop. Today we are going to see the concept of the JK flip flop. Already previous video I gave the information about the RS flip flop. Okay, so in the JK flip flop it consists of two input. So the two input one is represented as a J. The J is called as a set state. The another one is called as a reset state. Okay, so the output, the corresponding output are Q and Q bar. There are two different types of modes are used in the JK flip flop. One is a synchronous mode. The asynchronous, another one is a asynchronous mode. The synchronous mode is working under the clock pulses. The asynchronous modes are working under the it's not working under the clock pulses. Okay, then so that the state will be changed with the clock signal. In asynchronous mode, the state will be changed based on the clock pulses. In asynchronous mode is independent from the clock pulses. So in a JK flip flop consists of three things. One is a clock, the another one is a clear, the finally last one is the preset. So these are the three different type of structures. Okay, so in a JK flip flop it's consists of a three input means the output is interlinked with the another one input, so it will be formed as a couple. Okay, or interlocked structure, cross coupling structure. So that's why this is called as a cross coupling structure. Previously invalid condition S equal in a SR flip flop, S equal to 1 and R equal to 1, it will be called as a toggle condition, but here it will be the toggle condition will be removed. Okay, so here the J and K flip flop, this is called as a clock, this is a preset clear. Okay, both here Q and Q bar are opposite with each other, complement with each other. Okay, here this is a JK flip flop. In a J there are four NAND gate exist. Okay, so in a first NAND gate, this is the first NAND gate which is connected to the Q bar. So this is a Q bar connected with the J, same as a K is connected with the Q. So it will be formed as a cross coupled structure. So this is also Q is connected with K and Q bar is connected with J. Okay, so this is a complex structure. Then in a set state, the bottom of NAND gate interrupt the J input. So previously I told you, here this is the bottom of the NAND gate, the output will be attached with the so this is the output will be attached with the J, same as K. The K is also attached with the top of the NAND gate output. Okay, so the that's why they are explained, the bottom NAND gate interrupt the J input coming from the 0 position to Q bar. In the reset state, the top NAND gate interrupt the K input. Okay, so we can use Q and Q bar to control the input because they are always different. So the Q and Q bar are because of here the input is output is attached with the input, so that's why totally different from each other, so it will be automatically changed from one another. So the flip flop is toggled according to the truth table when both the J and K are set to 1. If it is 1 means automatically it will be changed, the condition is changed. So here this is a clock pulse attached, this is a clock pulse where if the 0 0 means it's a Qn, 1 1 means Qn bar, 0 1 J value is equal to 0, K value is equal to 1. So this is called as a reset state. 1 it is called as a set state. Okay, then what are the advantage exist in the JK flip flop? So the advantage is it's adaptive in nature. That means it is working under the synchronous and asynchronous mode. The toggle functionality, when the J and K values equal to 1, so it will be the toggle condition will be easily handled. That means the clock pulses change their state, either it's a set state or reset state. Error detection and correction, the JK flip flop can detect and correct the information. Okay, then the complexity, though its complexity is a very huge, that's why it take a very extra memory and increase the complexity. It consists of a propagation delay due to the extra memory resources. Then the race condition, when the clock input timing pulse is not given enough time to turn off before the output Q's Q bar state is altered. So when the race condition is occur, it will there will be a error occurred. Okay, dear student, today I take the JK flip flop concept. If you have any doubt, please kindly give the questions in my comment section. I will clear your doubt. Thank you, student.